Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Blue from Roblox Rainbow Friends. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head with a circle. Next, inside, let's draw the eyes. Let's add an oval in the top left. And the same thing for the right eye. Next, inside each eye, let's add another oval. Now let's color the left one in black. And for the right one, let's draw 4 circles inside. And now let's connect these circles with an X shape. Okay, next let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a large curve across. And then a curve underneath to close off the shape of the mouth. Next, inside the bottom right of the mouth, let's add the drool. Let's start with a wavy line inside here, and then bring it around. And then we're going to add a tear shape drop down and back up. And then let's erase any of those extra lines inside. And lastly, for the head, let's add the crown on top. Let's start with a point up here, one on the right, and then one more point in the middle to connect the two sides. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Okay, let's start off by drawing the right arm. On the bottom right of the head, let's draw a curve up, over to the right, and back around like this. Now let's hop over and draw the left arm. We're going to draw this one going down and out like this. Now from the bottom of the arms, let's curve it down for the sides of the body. Next, let's draw the legs. From the bottom, let's draw a curve down and back up. And the same thing for the right side. And then close off the bottom with a curve across here. And that's it for Blue. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!